Hello! I know today is not a Sunday, but I wanted to come on and let you know something. You know my ASL class? I offer a beginner online class for new ASL signers. If you want to learn, I can help you. That class so far has been open. You can access it, sign up, but that time is limited. January 31st, that is the last day for accessing the class. If you have already joined, that's fine. You can keep it, of course. But if you haven't yet joined, the door is closing. Why? Because in January I'm offering something special. If during this month you join the class during January, I will invite you to a special Facebook group. And that group is for students who now are taking the class. During your study and your process, you can, a bunch of things. You can interact with other students, discuss the class. You can access me, your teacher. You can ask me questions and I will respond with office hours. Third, your videos, if you want feedback, I can maybe help with that. And fourth, I will offer more videos, more practice to match the class. So during February and March, the group will together proceed through the class. 6 modules or 6 units. So we'll do that together. And that's also why the class is closing its doors for new students. So if you're not signing up now, you'll have to wait. I think maybe till summer. And if so far you've been thinking about it, now is a good time. I am offering more support for you. And if not, maybe in the summer. Okay? Now, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can comment below. And you can find the class where? There's a link up in the corner. It is also in this video's description. Or you can go to aslmeredith.com/course. Okay, thank you again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.